Hideaway, Puppet Hideaway, Puppet Hideaway.
This looks like a nice place to spend the night. Yeah, this looks like an alright place to sleep. Oh, and I need a rest after pulling that chariot all around. Yes, but I'm tired of pulling your chariot. I think tomorrow you can pull me on the chariot. Yeah. Anybody else want to argue? Good. Good night.
It looks like a beautiful day for softball.
I got it! I don't have it.
I'll get the ball. What's this? It appears to be a treasure map.
Hey, Toby, you've got a treasure map!
This is good. And look, there's our tree. We need to go find that treasure. Yeah! What is this I hear? A treasure? That treasure is going to be mine. Yes, I can see it all now. All those gold and riches. And all I have to do is steal it from those kids. Well, I don't think I want to go find that treasure. I'd rather go play in the trees. Yeah, I'm gonna go play in the trees. Bye, guys.
Hey, well, goodbye, Toby.
Bye. Charlie, Furby's run off.
Oh no, well let's run after him. I'll wait for you guys here.
Give me the treasure map or Furby gets it.
No! Leech has Furby. I guess we'll have to give him the treasure map.
Oh!
What's that?
Oh!
What was that? Ugh, I need to get out of here.
Furby, you saved Furby. And who was that horrible green man?
I don't know, but I don't think we've seen the last of him. According to this map, it appears to be about a day's journey from here. And it's already late in the afternoon. I think we should start this in the morning. Sounds great! Let's start in the morning!
I guess to go now. I'm home. Going to bed now.
Penny, Penny.
We can't fly.
And you can do anything. This is your dream.
Toby, stop playing around. We gotta find that treasure. Oh, look. There's the treasure. Whee! What a horrible dream!
Now to prepare my trap.
Come on, the flashlight.
I had a terrible nightmare last night. We need to be careful. Okay. Let's go meet the others. Okay. Bye, guys.
Hey, let us out of this trap. Sure, after you tell us where the treasure is.
The treasure map. Thanks, kids. Map. The key to untold riches.
No, the leech has the map. Now there's no way we can get the treasure.
Penny, you're wrong. Last night I drew a fake treasure map. Notice the map was blue. We still have the real one, the brown one. So Leech won't find anything with that one.
Some friends who can help.
Oh, my friends look like they need some help. Whee!
Hey, you guys need some help? Hey, guys, our friends need some help.
Okay, I can help.
Help too.
Hey, don't forget about me.
I might as well help too. Woo!
Eeeew!
Isn't where the treasure is? Pah! Those kids tricked me, but they'll pay. This is where that dragon is. The fiercest dragon in the whole land. And he's gonna help me get those kids.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, I need you to catch some kids so I can get that treasure map.
Okay, bye. There they are!
Look! There's the dragon! Come on, Benny and Charlie, we gotta get out of here! That must be
Them! Whee! Oh!
Oh no! The dragon caught Furby and Toby. What will we do?
Oh, what's happening? Whoa! Ah! Give me the treasure map. Now. Okay.
Good. Now I have the true treasure map. Ah ha 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 ha.
I have the treasure map now. You can get rid of those pesky kids.
That wouldn't be very nice. That wouldn't be very nice at all.
Of course it's not nice. It's evil. And that's what we are. Evil. Ha 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 ha.
I'm not evil, you mean person.
No, give that back.
Come on, kids, let's go find that treasure. Our tree here, and that's that tree over there, and this is that tree way over there, and here's where the treasure is.
Look, there it is. The treasure. Okay, guys, this is it. Wow. I'm taking this treasure.
No, the leech stole the treasure.
I've got to get out of here. I know. I'll use my chariot.
Oh no, Toby, are you alright?
Yeah, I just hurt myself a little bit.
Oh no, and we lost Lick Leech.
Oh no, we'll never find him now.
I know. Let's ask Wise Owl. He'll know where Lick Leech is. Wise Owl! No, Furby. I'm afraid I haven't seen Lick Leech. You need to be careful if you are trying to find him, for Lick Leech is very evil. So be careful. Bye. Thanks for the advice, Wise Owl. I'll be careful. Hey, Frank! I'll never get that right.
Do you know where Lick Leech is? Well, yeah, I know where he hangs out, if that's what you mean. Well, yeah, I need to know where he is. Well, you go, okay, thanks, bye.
Where Frank said Lick Leech hangs out.
Oh, yeah? Oh, and look, there he is! Oh, those kids have seen him. Frank, Sydney, go get him.
Sure, we'll get them.
Yes, we'll get them.
Oh no, what's that? Whoa!
Thank you, Dragon, you saved me.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get him now.
I got you now. Fly, snake. Woo! Not again. Only a book. Hey, Troy, look at that. Isn't that Lick Leech?
Yeah, hey, I got a plan.
Yeah. Position now. Pull the rope. Pull the rope.
Let me out, let me out! Check out this treasure.
We should share this with everyone. Yeah.
Puppet Hideaway. Puppet Hideaway.